In the series of speech opening, this is the second video where I will discuss the next two ideas, and I am sure that these ideas will be really some eye openers for you, and they will definitely bring some more ideas in your mind, and you will, that find beginning your speech is really easy and fun. So the topic number 3 is, should animals be used for scientific research? It can be animal testing. Okay. So let's look at the start. Every day, animals are tested in labs to find cures and develop products. Some say it's necessary for progress, but others argue it's cruel and outdated. Is it fair to harm living creatures in the name of science, especially when there might be alternatives? This debate raises big questions about ethics, science, and the value of life. So you can see that many good points are raised here about the research. Now, second paragraph will be evaluation, where we will be definitely dealing with the text ideas to evaluate. So I'm sure that looking at this start, and you know that you can try making your own smarter ways to begin your speeches. The next topic in list is climate change the biggest threat facing humanity? So look at the start: rising temperature, extreme weather, and disappearing species. It's all around us. While some people worry about war or technology taking over, others say climate change tops the list of danger. So what do we believe? Question mark. Is it just an environmental issue, or is it something that affects every single part of our future? So you see that in this short beginning, the topic has been discussed really effectively, and it has been clearly shown that this topic has two sides, and it has been shown that there can be a favor to this topic, and there can be an against side as well, and that the other side is saying that it is not a big deal. Climate change is not the biggest threat. There are other things. So I hope that these speech openings will help you form your starts, and they will show you that how being brief and to the point, you can have a very good and effective start. So starting your speech is really very important. It actually reflects your whole speech, and it also reflects your skill and your understanding of the topic as well. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.